Welcome back guys to another episode of the unboxing. So today we have many parts for the GR Yaris platform and we're going to be unboxing them one by one to show you guys the quality of these products. Before we start, we'd just like to give a shout out to Wido Marketing for sending over these PIAA goodies. Let me show you guys what they've sent over. So thank you so much to Wido Marketing for sending over the PIAA Aero Vogue Flex wiper blades. So it's made out of silicone, made in Japan. And they also sent over this. It's the PIAA interior LED light. So you can switch your stock interior lights to this LED one so that it shines brighter inside.
Shout out again to Wido Marketing. Thanks for sending these over. By the way, Wido Marketing is also the distributor of C-Tech, Sonax, and Blowpack, aside from PIAA.
So guys, we will be doing an install video of these Aero Vogue Flex wiper blades and maybe this interior light next time, but we'll save that for another video. So right now, let's proceed with unboxing these GR Yaris parts. Let's start with the smallest boxes over here. So from left to right, first we have these two boxes that says Toms. So as you know, Toms is an aftermarket tuning company for Toyota cars. So let us take a look at what is inside. So here it is, guys. This is the Toms GR Yaris shift knob. So it is carbon fiber, as you can see. I don't know if it's focusing properly.
Shout out to all those with Tom's body kits. You might want to have this too.
Carbon fiber, very high quality. And it's pretty heavy, it's weighted. This shift knob comes with a Tom's sticker badge. And also this shift pattern. So perfect for the GR Yaris. And as you can see, there's also this one, another Tom's box. Let's open it and see what's inside. So this is another beautiful piece from Tom's Japan. It is an oil filler cap. It comes with another Tom's badge, just like the shift knob. And it is very high quality. Wow.
CNC aluminum.
So let's open the hood and see how this would look like inside the GR Yaris. So I don't know if you guys watch my vlogs, but this is basically how the engine bay of Project GR Yaris looks like right now with all the carbon fiber goodies. So here is the oil filler cap. This one is the stock one, and as you can see, it's just a plain black plastic cap. So with the Tom's oil filler cap, it's gonna look a lot better. So we're not gonna be putting it on because this one's for sale, but at least now you guys know what it's gonna look like if it's installed. So it has the nice red accents, and it's gonna match if you have a GR Yaris strut bar. It looks really good. And you can actually choose not to put the Tom's logo if you don't like it. Next, we move on to these electrical parts. So here it is, guys. As you can see, it says 6000 K. That means 6000 Kelvin. So it's close to like white light. So these are called courtesy lamps. And if you have no idea where these are placed, let me show you guys. So these courtesy lamps actually go here, there, at that location, so that when you open the doors, it's gonna be lighting up the footwell before you actually enter. So that's why it's called a courtesy lamp, because it basically welcomes you. Anyway, moving on, we have another kind of interior light. This time it's the LED room lamp from Yaris, that's from Japan. So here it is. So it's basically a set, guys. This big one is for the rear and these two small ones are for the front. And as you can see, there's so much LEDs there, so it's gonna be bright and it's really gonna light up the interior. And for just for comparison, this is what the stock ones look like. The stock ones are just plain yellow bulbs. Here is the back. So once you've put on the Yaris LED interior lamps, it's gonna light up the whole thing, basically from corner to corner, because there's so much LEDs inside if you install the Yaris interior LEDs. So yeah, it's a good upgrade. Guys, so that is the Yaris interior LED lights. Let us move on to the next kind of lights that we have here. So what is this?
Axis part.
So this is from Axis Parts Japan. It's an LED light for this area near the plates. So as you guys can see, we have these stock lights over here and here. These are called plate lights, and they're basically just regular lights that aren't really that bright. So what you can do is you can buy this, which has 6 LEDs inside. They are 6000 Kelvin LEDs, so they're white, and they can basically replace the lights over there, and it's gonna look super clean. So guys, if you've been watching my vlogs with Project GR Yaris, you might remember me putting some duct tape underneath the car because there was holes. So we finally figured out the solution for that, and we have the original OEM part from Toyota over here. As you can see, it says plug/hole. So these are the rubber pieces that go onto those holes. So let's open it. I'll show you guys what it looks like. By the way guys, these are only 2 because these are the ones for the front holes. And here it is guys. High quality rubber. And these ones are for the fronts. But what we actually found out was that these front ones can actually also go to the rear part of the car because they fit way better than what's supposed to be placed on the rear. So if you want to plug your holes, it's best to buy 2 sets of these. So a pair for the fronts and then another pair for the rear. So as you guys can see, that's the duct tape that I put in one of my previous vlogs. So we're gonna take that off and show you guys how the rubber plug fits. So let me first try to get this off. So goodbye duct tape, and as you guys can see, there's the hole. Rubber plug, that, then you just push it in. So there, perfect fit guys. No more problems of rainwater or flood getting in the hole because we now have this. So now guys, we go to the rear of the car. So let us take off this duct tape, and as you can see, there's the hole, and the hole is basically the same size as the front. So we're gonna put on this just to confirm and show you guys that it fits at the rear. You just push it in. So there, it's a perfect fit guys, as you can see. So ta-da, problem solved. Okay guys, moving on to the next part. Here it says TRD, so we know that this is a genuine part from Japan. And let's open it to see what's inside. Wow, look at that guys. So original TRD, it says here Toyota Motorsports. This is also an oil filler cap guys. See, as it comes with this instruction manual. So let's compare this to the other oil filler cap, which is the Tom's oil filler cap. So here it is guys, TRD Tom's. So as you can see guys, the TRD one is made out of like a resin material, very high quality, while the Tom's one, it's made out of CNC aluminum with a resin, what do you call this, grip handle something. Yeah, so let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the stock one for reference, and then that one's the TRD one. So ta-da! So that's what it's gonna look like when it's installed. All right, Okay guys, so that's the TRD Oil Filler Cap. Let us now move on to this other piece. This is the rigid Duracon shift knob. So let's open it. So this one is also made in Japan. So there you go. The material is Duracon. So if you guys want a light shift knob, something that's not so heavy, this is actually pretty light compared to the Tom's shift knob that you can see over there. The weight is very different. So yeah, it comes with a sticker and it says Motorsport Equipment, rigid, professional use only. Oh, it also comes with these shift patterns. So for the GR Yaris, you're gonna be using the third one, this one, because the reverse goes to the upper left. So guys, I realized that the shift knob is very easy to, take off. So we're gonna be showing to you guys what these shift knobs look like when they're installed on the car. Oops. The stock shift knob is, wow, it's pretty weighted. Here's the Tom's shift knob, and what I can say is that stock one is heavier compared to the Tom's shift knob. So let's see what it looks like when the Tom's shift knob is installed. There you go guys. That's the Tom's shift knob, carbon fiber, slightly less heavy. It feels very similar to the stock shift knob, I guess, because the weight is pretty similar, as the shape is also similar. Okay, so we have the Tom's carbon fiber shift knob, and then here's the stock one, and then let's go with the Duracon rigid shift knob and see how it feels, because it's very, very light. There you go. So I'm not gonna tighten it so much. Let's see. Oh, this feels nice. This one feels like it has a slightly longer throw because the diameter of the knob is thin compared to something like this, which is a ball and it's very fat. The reason why the shifts feel longer is because the height of the knob is actually taller compared to the stock knob, which sits this low. So that's the height difference. And the Tom's knob that sits also this low. We are not yet done. We have an Airtec box over here which has some goodies also inside. But before we open it, please don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can finally reach 10K subs on this channel. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this Airtec box. So I have no idea what's inside. Okay, what is this? It says Toyota GR Yaris Quick Shift. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So here it is, guys. It's a beautiful piece. And this is very similar to the other quick shifter that we've unboxed before. The brand was Foresight, but this one is from Airtec Motorsports. I don't know if I want to install this on Project GR Yaris. At least you guys can now see the quality of this item. It's very nice. So there are hoses over here which kind of give it away already. I guess these are for an oil catch can. Oh, there it says CNC breather catch tank. So it's probably an oil catch can. Let's open it. Ta-da! So instruction manual, and here is the can where the oil goes. Wow, that looks nice. I think this is CNC aluminum. Wow, it's a high quality cap, and it has a dipstick. So here is the dipstick. It has the Airtec logo, very high quality, and you put it here and then just screw it like that. Very, very high quality, guys. Airtec Motorsport oil catch can. These are the hoses that come with the kit. It says here Pro hoses. I think Phil Rothelli used the same hoses for his oil cooler kit, I think.
Auxiliary hoses and radiator hose.
Yeah, so I think Phil uses the same brand. So I believe these are trustworthy hoses. That's it for the Airtec box. And then here are all the parts that we have unboxed today. And yeah.
But wait, there's more. You forgot the big box.
Okay, so we still have the big box, guys. So let us open it to see what is inside. Ta-da! Wow! Look at that! So guys, this is the Yashio Factory OPF delete pipe. And as you can see, it's very light because it's made out of titanium. So the whole thing is made out of titanium. And yeah, this is the OPF delete pipe. As you know, if you've been watching our previous vlogs, we have the Yashio Factory super silent titanium muffler. So yeah, this is gonna be the OPF delete pipe. Hopefully it makes more sound. I'm not actually sure what the effects will be, but look at the quality, guys. It's pure titanium, very light. All right, lock and loaded. Fire. So guys, that is it for this week's unboxing. Again, all of these parts are available for order in Peter's Garage. The link is in the description below. So we hope you guys enjoyed this episode of the unboxing. If you did, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help me reach 10K subs. So yeah, that's it. We'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.